Hi, and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This one isn't about tooling, offsets or tolerances. It's about what happens around the machines. We had the delivery come in, long bar stock, bundled up, nothing unusual, until one of the guys hopped onto the forklift to unload it. But instead of checking the forks were spread wide enough, he just went for it. Halfway off the truck, the bundle slid. A 6-foot bar clattered off and put a dent in the side of the coolant tank on our horizontal mill. It didn't hit anyone, but it scared the life out of everyone standing nearby. The damage wasn't catastrophic, but the downtime and repair costs were easily avoidable. All because of a rushed unload and a missed safety check. Lesson learned, CNC shops aren't just about machines. Everything from forklifts to air hoses can turn into a problem if you don't respect them. The machine's only as safe as the environment around it. Ever had a shop side accident that had nothing to do with cutting chips? Share it in the comments. We've all seen something. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.